Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about a material's ability to let light pass through. Do all materials let light pass through the same way?
No. Different materials allow different amounts of light to pass through them.
Yes, that's right. We can also classify materials based on how much light can pass through them.
How do we know which materials allow the most light to pass through?
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a sheet of aluminium foil, a sheet of baking paper, a sheet of plastic wrap, one white paper and a marker. Use the marker to draw an X mark on the white paper. Then, place the paper on the table with the X facing up. Before we continue, I have a quick question to ask the two of you. How are we able to see the X on the paper? Pause and discuss.
I know. For us to see the X on the paper, light has to bounce off the X on the paper and enter our eyes.
That's right. Now, let's see which objects allow the most light to pass through. We will start with the aluminium foil. Place the sheet of aluminium foil over the X. Can you see the X? Pause and observe.
I cannot see the X at all.
What if we were to replace the aluminium foil with a sheet of baking paper? Can you see the X this time? Pause and observe.
I can see the X, but I cannot see it clearly.
How about we try replacing the baking paper with a sheet of plastic wrap instead? Are you able to see the X? Pause and observe.
Yes. I can see the X really clearly.
So class, what did we learn today?
Out of the three materials, we can see the X most clearly through the plastic wrap.
But why is that so?
This is because sufficient light reflected at the X can pass through the plastic wrap and enter our eyes.
Oh! So this means that the plastic wrap allows the most amount of light to pass through.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.